Love it.
Are you?
What's best price you can give?
Oh, it's just one side that came out.
And how quickly can I get them?
So, do you think one-sided is fine? No.
Yes, but I want to get rid of him.
Oh.
I don't like
You're
him.
right.
And I'm gonna order
You
some.
don't like it, sorry.
I'm gonna order some Billy balls, I think, to put in.
Yeah. You can also, I guess.
Roses, 4 bunches. So that one is a birthday gift that's gonna go out Friday. But today, what the most exciting part of our day was my midnight idea for the $25 pay it forward, spread some good cheer to Miami kind of gifts. And my hope is that we can keep ordering from my flower suppliers. My hope is that people have a little bit of a smile and their kids, like mine, who are stuck at home, spend a few minutes kind of guessing who sent us these flowers, who can we send them to. So I'm hoping to start a movement of happiness because everyone in this industry is kind of freaking out and we all just need a lot of good cheer. So I think it's gonna work.
Yay.
I think it's exciting.
So if you think that florist is like a very easy job, that's not true. You have to carry very heavy things full of water.
we're very strong. That's definitely
So you don't
true.
have to go to gym, especially when it's closed. You know what I saw in the video on the Instagram? They put like oil in the floor with some water, and you can walk like you're at the gym, Yeah. Almost. Oh, like some CrossFit here. Yeah. Here you are.
I did CrossFit literally for a month.
Okay.
And then found out I was pregnant with Alex.
Oh.
Let me go ask him.
So tell him it'll be roses, it would be Billy balls, and that one freesia, maybe ranunculus.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Oh.
I'll keep you posted.
Okay, call me back. Bye.
All right, bye.
Oh, and Monstera. Tape. With what? Oh. Tape? Okay, this is a very expensive vase. This is a nightmare. Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Dump the water. Got it. My favorite branches.
What's the name of them?
I don't know the name. When I
don't know
order
the
them
name.
from Chris, I literally say the brown bundle of branches that I always order. I want those. Hello, this is Meredith.
Hey, hi.
So often when we do flowers for our weekly clients, we don't use an exact formula. I order based on sort of a good feeling, and I always like to have extra flowers because I think that if it needs an extra stem, it needs an extra stem. I don't like to limit it. When we design for weddings and events, there is a more specific formula, but I still always order extra because you never know if flowers come in smaller than usual and you need more, or if they don't come in the right color and you need to replace it. So I always like to have a backup and I like to have extras. And these are so pretty. Okay, these are Vanda orchids. They're, wow. I think that I'm gonna put in like some cool, either my Billy balls. Oh, he's leaving in 5 minutes.
Yoo-hoo.
Yay! Oh, I'm so happy. Okay. This is good. 4. We had 5 booths.
Right?
4.
4.
Food and wine. We did Kettle One, Capital One, Don Julio, and Food Network. So 4.
I still can't count.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna do one more. Oh, I love it. Okay, you're pretty, and now I'm gonna do it again. No, it's super cool. He works with just specific hydrangea farms in Colombia.
Okay, that's learn what's wrong with that. That's a big progress.
It'll be 1 year that Matthias is full-time
With us?
in April.
Wow.
Yeah, next
It's been a
month.
while.
No, but Matthias, how long have I known you?
Oh, like 10 years.
No, longer. So the first person that ever did deliveries for me was named Osvaldo and was some sort of a cousin of Matthias's and introduced us, right?
Oh, neighbor.
I think I thought he was your uncle. And he was such a nice old man. And then he moved back to Argentina, but somehow he introduced me to Matthias in the interim. We started cooking and bringing like shared meals. And then the first day it was my turn, I forgot. So I ordered us a lovely healthy meal. But today I brought salmon and salad, and we have been doing microwave brown rice. I don't like that one. Don't you meal prep? When we're designing is to get rid of all this extra foliage, which is sort of step 1 of flower design, because these little green leaves create bacteria in the vases, and they make for smelly water, and then they make for unhappy flowers. So we always get rid of them.
Nice.
Yeah. Wait, do you have the wire?
I do. This one.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
green one right here.
Oh, it's fine. I love it. So then we just have to figure out what this guy will be, and I feel like it should be
Maybe.
green hydrangea, maybe a few of these, and let's.
Oh wait, you forgot the birds.
I know. I think all of them should have birds.
Right.
All of them, like yours should have 5, mine can have 3, and then birds in here.
Right.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So
And I think this could have branches also.
They all go together in one table. Right. They have to be like
Right,
connected somehow.
right. Yeah, no, and this one I think we could
Okay,
hold
so
it
birds.
in with the branches.
Birds. Here you are.
Oh my god, Alex's story this week in the online class book was about a bird named Fern. And I kept saying, oh, Alex, I have ferns in the cooler. Those green ferns.
Oh, that's
So today
cute.
I'm going to bring it home.
Oh, she's
A
so
bird
cute.
named Fern.
So we opened up the birds like that.
I'm going to spray these. My intention is that the next person sends it to someone else.
Right, but who's delivering?
No, they order with us. I put in a little note about the whole pay it forward
So
game.
then what
Yeah.
Metal bucket. Because the base is like kind of all. Alright!
3, 4,
Alright!
6, 7, 8.
We like to make a mess. It's
Oh, we love to